Time now for the Auto History Report by Michael J. Mars.
Michael J.
What is it?
Michael A.
Michael A.
A.J.
I like Michael J.
All right, this week on August the 18th, back in 1904, the Cadillac Automobile Company was founded in Detroit, Michigan.
You were there, Jeff.
Yeah, we're just going to leave the shot up the whole rest of the show.
Yeah. And I did not realize this, but that actually, Henry Ford got into an issue with some of his investors and decided he was going to get out of that part. So the investors took that part of the company, and they got
what part of
the Ford Motor Company that he had at the time.
Yes.
And they actually took that and got with Henry Leland, who actually brought that company, and that's how it actually became the Cadillac Company. And he was a machinist, so he's the one that ended up taking it over. And one of the big things that Cadillac did, besides being known for fit and finish, because he's a machinist, so everything had to be very precision, and that carried on into their level of quality that they have this day. And one of the things they did, I did not know this, but they introduced the first electric starter in 1912. Cadillac. Got rid of the hand crank. It was a Cadillac thing that they did.
Yeah.
And so that's one of the 1912 models right there. Then on August the 19th in 1909, they had the first race at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Now, this was not the Indianapolis 500. This was several races that happened before that, and the track was really a dirt track. And it caused a lot of problems, a lot of crashes. There was a lot of people got killed, 2 drivers, 2 mechanics, and 2 spectators got killed in one race. So that's when they decided to fix the track, and that's when they laid the bricks on top of it, and hence it became the Brickyard from there.
I'll be darned.
August 21st, 2002, the last Ford Escort rolled off the assembly line.
I was going to say Escort go.
Yeah.
It's a slow car.
So I did not realize it. They sold over 20 million of those units across 6 generations under that nameplate. Of course, some of them in Europe were a little bit different, but it was actually created to replace the Ford Pinto after it blew up and stopped the world and caused all those issues. And it actually was one that helped begin the compact car market. Then on August the 23rd in 1989 is when Toyota introduced the Lexus brand. I didn't realize it. It just seems like Lexus has been here forever.
Nope.
And their first vehicle was a 4-door sedan, an LS400.
It still is a good-looking car.
Yeah. It really is. I mean, it looks like an executive-type level car.
Well, it is. It was.
They spent $1 billion getting this thing started.
Wow.
And so it's quickly become known for its reputation of excellent build quality. And that is this week in automotive history.
Well, I wanted more.
Oh.
Well,
Don't
tune in next week.
Tune in next week for more.
There you go.
There you go.